Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Design Assistant Step-by-Step Fiber Design. Make sure that you add all layers needed for FTTH design beside the layers. Telco. City parcels. FDT boundary. Design Assistant layers. Create a new work order. Zoom to the FDT area. Start the Fiber Wizard. Select Fiber Distribution Wizard. Select existing demand points. Times use the FDT boundary to select all structures within it by using Select by Location. Times then use Select by Attribute to select TBs only. Write this script, type _name is equal to TB or structure _ref _name like %OSB%. Times make sure to set the method as select from current selection. Use mass attribute editor. Times use current selection. Set the point status to new. For existing civil. Times if the civil was not done by the then some attributes must be propagated for the TB structures. For existing civil. Fill the attributors as the following. Times network category, wideband. Times network type, customer demand. Times point status, new. For existing civil. Update the transmedia demand to be the same value as number of units on the parcels. Times for units 19 fill this value as 2 and STC _transmedia _demand to be 32. Click Next in the DA toolbar. Times dialog box will appear. Click Select Equipment and select the FDT equipment. Select Ports Range. Times select Ports Range and choose the values as in the following image. Times use Shift key to select. Splitters form 1 to 16. Place route lines. Select all distribution spans within the area. Select all spans within the FDT area by using Select by Location. Use Select by Attribute. Write this script. To _structure _name like %hand % or. To _structure _name like T%. Make sure use Select from current selection method. Times then click Span to Route Line tool. Times in the route line model select distribution route. Click Apply. Times hit Next. Serving points. Make sure that all serving points are in the right location. Times close dialog box. Times hit Next. Wizard will place cables automatically. Edit equipment and transmedia. Times select the FDT equipment and hit Next. Wizard will continue. Wizard finish. Times save edits. Times select route lines and inferred nodes then delete them. Modify the distribution transmedia shape. Select transmedia and use task, reshape feature. Times save edits. Open file for export.mxd. Open the map document file for export.mxd. Open the work order again. Zoom to the TBs. Times for each drop cable take from the read values. And fill them in FDT connections and spare strands. Same for district transmedia. Give the TB user labels for equipments. Fill the other attributes. Fill other attributes.ifat number. Times do the views for span X section and manhole layout. Times generate schematics.